In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add black bars in DaVinci Resolve. If you want to give your video a more cinematic look, adding black bars is one of the quickest and easiest ways to do it. The nice thing is that in DaVinci Resolve, you do not need to manually create shapes or adjust complicated settings. There is a built-in option that lets you apply this effect in just a few clicks. To get started, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and make sure your timeline is active. This is important because the setting you're about to use applies to the timeline you are currently working in. Once you are ready, move your cursor to the top menu of the screen and click on Timeline. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From that menu, find Output Blanking and hover over it. This will open another menu that shows different aspect ratio options. These options control how thick the black bars will appear at the top and bottom of your video. Simply click the value you want to use. As soon as you select one, DaVinci Resolve will automatically place black bars over your timeline output. This is a very fast way to preview and apply a widescreen cinematic format without changing your actual clips. It is especially useful if you want a professional film-style presentation and want to test different looks quickly. If you are not sure which setting to choose, try a few of the available values and see which one best matches your project. Thicker bars create a more dramatic widescreen effect, while thinner bars give a more subtle cinematic feel. The best option really depends on the style of your video and how you want the final frame to look. One helpful thing to keep in mind is that output blanking affects the way the video is displayed from the timeline, so it is a simple and clean method for creating this look without extra editing steps. That makes it perfect for beginners, and it also saves time for more experienced editors. So again, the process is simple. Go to the top menu, click Timeline, choose Output Blanking, and then select the value based on how thick you want the black bars to be. Once you do that, your video will instantly take on that letterboxed appearance. And that's it. That's the easiest way to add black bars in DaVinci Resolve and give your footage a more cinematic finish.